Okay, here we are again, guys. Another Razor unboxing video, the Electric Razor App YouTube channel. Today we've got the Braun Series 3 310S Razor. From what I've been able to learn online about this, it was released in 2016. Kind of the first thing I noticed about this, of course, is the box is a lot smaller because, of course, it doesn't come with a cleaning station like my Braun Series 9 Pro. So, yeah, much smaller box. What does it say here? Senso foil, sensitive to skin. Middle trimmer, cuts difficult hair. Clean and close, precision head, precision trimmer, fully washable, 100-day money-back guarantee, 2-year worldwide warranty. Says how the razor and the cap are made in China. The battery life isn't as good as with my Braun Series 9 Pro. 35-minute battery life only, 5-minute quick charge, 3 flexible blades, precision trimmer, 100% waterproof, used with water, foam, or gel. And you can see the front here, all those details. Model number right there, the 310S. See that? So I got this actually for $39. So as you know, one of my other reviews I did on the Kamei foil razor from Amazon, it was $36. So this is $39. This has a name behind it. This is Braun. I don't anticipate this being garbage by any means. So let's open this up here, and we will know for sure once we do the shave, and we'll just see how the quality is. Okay. Instruction manual, of course, always standard. Charging cable. We've got the cap. And then, as I always like to point out, the main attraction, the razor itself. There it is. See the head? It's got the 3 heads. We've got the trimmer. I don't know if that focused or not really well. Let's try it again here. There we go. You can have a good look at that. The trimmer on the back. The trimmers on Braun's, I find, are really nice. You know, they just slide up so easily, and really, really nice. There we go. Wet and dry, as it says here. This part here is rubbery. The blue plastic, honestly, just in my, it looks like it's the same color of my shirt too, doesn't it? But just the feel of this plastic is slippery. The Remington, both Remington virtually indestructible razors that I have, the sides are rubberized, but here again, it's actually only rubberized right here. Odd choice. I don't know if you'd want to use this in the shower or not. It is quite slippery. Let's turn it on and see if we have any charge. Oh yeah, there's some charge. There's a green light. See that when it's on? So I think it mentioned as well something about the battery. I remember reading that. Oh yes, I think it's on the bottom here. Yes, nickel metal hydride batteries. So of course, not lithium ion, so of course that's what contributes to the kind of poor battery life, 35 minutes as opposed to an hour with my Braun Series 9 Pro. But yeah, I like the weight of it. It's a good weight, but I just don't like these blue sides. They're very slippery. So you know, you're always going to have to, I guess, hang on to it like this, and always have a couple fingers at least in contact with this rubber part, or else you know, if you hold it like this in the shower, it's going to fall out of your hands. But we're going to try this. We're going to do a head shave. We're going to see how the head shave goes. So again, guys, remember to subscribe to the Electric Razor App channel here as Candy comes to join us. Subscribe to the Electric Razor App YouTube channel. Also visit Electric Razor App, the board, www.electricrazorapp.com. buymeacoffee.com/electricrazораpp. You can donate money if you find these videos useful. My Amazon affiliate links, I'm suspending those for the time being. I may bring them back at some point, but the Buy Me a Coffee link will always be active. So until then, guys, we'll see you in the next video. I'm going to have a head shave here in the next video and post that very soon. So until then, we'll see you very soon, guys.